Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
PowerPoint for Microsoft 365 also lets you privately rehearse a presentation with an automated presenter coach to get feedback about your pacing, speech patterns, and terminology. After you rehearse a presentation, it gives you a report with a summary of statistics and suggestions for improvement. To use this feature, you must have a connected microphone. To rehearse with the presenter coach in PowerPoint for Microsoft 365, open the presentation to deliver in PowerPoint. If needed, select the slide from which to start rehearsing. Then click the Slideshow tab in the ribbon. Then click the Rehearse with Coach button in the Rehearse button group to open the presentation in a variation of the usual slideshow view that contains a small black dialog box in its lower right corner. To see real-time feedback from the coach, ensure the Show Real-Time Feedback checkbox is checked in this dialog box. Then click the Start Rehearsing button in the dialog box to begin. At that point, then wait for the word Listening to appear in the black box. When it does, then start delivering the presentation in the slideshow view from your selected slide as usual. Note that you cannot use the annotation tools when rehearsing a presentation with the coach. To pause the rehearsal, click the Pause Session button in the dialog box, which looks like a microphone. To resume rehearsing, click the button again. After you exit the presentation, the rehearsal stops. To end the rehearsal before the end of the presentation, press the Escape key on your keyboard. After you stop rehearsing, a Your Rehearsal report appears on screen with the feedback from its listening session. To view more information about any recommendations it offers, you can click the Learn More link in the desired feedback section to open the related topic in a new web browser window. You cannot save the Your Rehearsal Report window's content, but you can take a screenshot of it if desired to save it. You can close the report by clicking the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.